Welcome to Azure Architect AZ305 Certification Sample Question Series, question number 23. In the Azure environment, we have two resources. Those are like Azure Synapse Analytics Workspace and Azure Cosmos DB account, which is using SQL API. So Azure Cosmos DB contains a container with operational data which is updating continuously, and we are designing a solution that allows this Azure Synapse workspace to run daily analytics on this particular data. So our goal is to analyze the data without impacting the performance of the operational Cosmos DB workload. Let's go through the options. First one is Azure Cosmos DB change feed. It is generally great for event-driven processing or incremental data movement, but you still need to extract and load the data into the Synapse. So it does not like it will impact the transactional workload. So this is not a correct answer. Next one is Azure Data Factory with Cosmos DB plus Synapse connectors. So it is great work, like it will work for scheduled ETL or ELT pipelines. Again, it requires to copies the data, which add additional overhead on the transactional store. It is kind of more maintenance and it has the latency. This is also not suitable for this requirement. Third one is Azure Synapse Link for Azure Cosmos DB. So it creates a near real-time analytical replica of a Cosmos DB. So the queries are the analytic queries directly runs without touching the transactional system. So generally it runs the queries on a replica of a Cosmos DB. So with this, there will be no performance impact and there will be like minimal administrative effort, and there is a zero ETL. It is a purpose built for this exact scenario. It is the best and correct solution. Fourth one is Azure Synapse Analytics with Polybase. So it requires data to be stored on external files like Azure Data Lake Storage account. It still need to export the data from a Cosmos DB. Again, it will add the overhead and complexity. This is also not suitable for their requirement. So do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.